Soft flask, big bladder, or filter bottles, all kinds of water containers we use for drawn foam. But which one suits the best? We find out in this episode of DP Gear Reviews. Welcome back to the Drawn Phone DP Gear Reviews. Today we're gonna go up to the mountain and do a bit of a test.
Yeah, but we're actually already up in the mountain, and one of the key things to do is to bring water with us. This is something very important in Hong Kong, and Jack has got lots of suggestions on ways to do that.
Yeah, water system, the drinking system is very essential for you go hiking, running, outdoor activities. And this is something you should not do.
Why not? It's recycling.
We'll find out what to do. An efficient and adequate hydration system is a must for any drawn phone adventure. We are normally up in the mountains hiking and filming, so taking enough water is crucial, especially in hot and humid Hong Kong. What we also want to avoid is one-use bottles, so as to lower our impact on the environment. In this episode, we will take you through some of the hydration systems that have kept us going on the show. First, start with this little one. It comes with a trail running bag. For most of the kids, you will have it. They have a meter there. You will know exactly how much water you drank through the whole process. The problem with this one is too small. Normally you need to hold two, and you need to have a place to refill. This big one, the Bladder, 2.5 liters. This one is very good. We've been using it for the trail. We love it. But the problem is you have to take it out for refill, and you don't know how much you drink. For beginner, quite easily you forgot to drink and you don't know how much you had. It's not like a bottle, you know it's empty, you drink this whole bottle of water. With this one you have to take it out and check it out. Filter system, yeah. If we go for some stream hike, we go into the mountain, rivers, and this is a good system. You put some stream water in it. Any water looks clean, it's fine. Not from the drain. They won't save you. Then you press. Remember, you leave it open. You press it down, so the water comes out of it. We'll do a demonstration later. You can drink it safely. And also this one, you can basically serve to another bottle. This is the cycling bottle. I just use it from time to time. You open it and you put it in. So you have extra bottle and you can share with your friends who go with you. The same thing here. Last draw, we use it for lots of episodes before. We went to Sichuan, the mountain with it for 7 days trek, always with one bottle. Quite easy. Open. Go to this little river. Water out. You drink. Problem is, in Hong Kong, in the dry season, there's no water in the stream or the river. In Lanto, we did a hike with DJ 2 years ago. I have to go to the bathroom to get the tap water to refill. Okay, another two. Clearly heavy metal, very stable. This is to keep your water warm. When you go to some high altitude area, you need to have warm water. This will keep it warm for a good 5 to 8 hours. And sometimes I use this for coffee. So all this bottle we've been using is to avoid using the crappy disposable one-time use bottle DJ is using.
I gotta say, I'm using a reused plastic bottle. I'm not using a one-time use.
We carried on and soon saw a small stream. Perfect place to refill our bottles and for a quick demo. This one is fantastic. It's so easy to use, but the problem is you cannot share. You have to use it yourself. Super sweet. The other one comes with the system. You put water here. We're almost there. You put it down. There's a filter. Quite a bit of force to put it through the filter. There we go. So now you can share with your friend, or you can drink directly. So if I do long distance, I take this and another bottle. So I use this to filter, put water there, and I get another cup. So I have 2 cups with me all the time. Whenever I see a stream, I will do that. Very, very easy. Well, DJ, that's the usage of the drinking system. I wonder if you're gonna change your mind to get a better one.
I still like my reusable, but it's been educational all the same. And as you said, we have used these systems in the past. The filter system in particular, highly recommend that if you're going for long periods of time, not having to worry about water.
Try to use less plastic bottle, please. For now, bye-bye.
Like and subscribe wherever you see this, particularly on the YouTube channel.
Particularly.
Bye-bye.
So I'm up to shoot a water bottle episode with DJ, and he's turning a little bit crazy. You see what he's doing, yeah? He's right there. Here.